Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'm off to Quidi Vidi village to get some black and white and color images. So like and subscribe if you want to see more. Okay ramblers, let's get rambling. We are off to Quidi Vidi village, one of the oldest fishing villages in Newfoundland. But here's a good tip that I should listen to myself. If you want to shoot in the morning anywhere, and you know sunrise is about 7:30, get there a good 40 minutes before sunrise, because the sky starts to lighten up a lot before the sun comes over the horizon. I should listen to that. Okay, here we are. Quidi Vidi village. I was at this location several months ago, so I may shoot from here again because I like the lines, and if the sun hits some of that shacks on the left, I think they're kind of cool too. This is the shot I did last year. This is a shot I've framed. And I might have to do, depending on how the sun comes out, I may have to do a exposure blend for the sky and for the foreground. But you can see through my lens the shot I've framed up. Could even do something like that. That's more architecture than landscape though. But maybe something like this. That could be good. So I'm using a Fujifilm X-H2. I'm shooting at ISO 125 at probably get f11. F11's a good landscape number in terms of aperture. And you don't even need an expensive lens when you're shooting at the sweet spot of a lens. So even a cheap lens would suffice for most landscape photography. And I'm using a 2-second timer so I don't shake my camera when I press the shutter. Set that to 2 seconds and have another look through the viewfinder. Just do a little adjustment here. And remember to keep your camera level. That keeps the verticals nice and vertical, especially in buildings in the foreground. Okay, 2 exposures. One for the sky. One for the foreground. Okay, I'm going to go with a neutral density filter. Oh. This one I'm using is K&F Concept, Kent Faith, magnetic 10-stop neutral density, and they're not expensive. They're pretty good. I thought we'd try another location in this beautiful little village. I'm going to stick with my neutral density filter because I like the way the clouds are moving in the background. So I will, the only thing is boats are going to be kind of blurry, but it might still work out okay. Let's try it. This is a 20-second exposure. And again, I'm going to have to do an exposure blend for the sky, but it's looking really lovely. This is for the sky. Quidi Vidi this morning is still cold. There's a little bit of snow on the ground. So I'm hoping we'll get some more photographs. I'm gonna watch my step on this wharf. Oh yeah, lovely. Not a cloud in the sky, which not the greatest, but might be another grayscale day. Wow, lovely. Might be a possible shot here. Maybe a wide angle lens. I love that Christmas tree up on the mountain. I hope to keep it on. You know, it wasn't for that damn mountain in the background, we'd get some nice morning light hitting those shacks. I'll do something about that. Call the municipality. It's cold. I'm gonna have to do a exposure blend, I think. I'm stepping back from the camera because this boardwalk is just a little bit rickety. Possibly. I don't want to shake the camera. So that was 2.5 seconds at f7.1. Now I'll go down to get a little more color in the sky to 1.3 seconds. I think I'll switch lenses. That was a 13 millimeter Viltrox. So I'm going to put on my 56 and get a little closer to those shacks. I sure don't want to drop these lenses into the drink. That would not be good. Might make for an exciting video. I love these magnetic filters and lens caps from K&F. Super inexpensive, and they work just fine. Little cat, what's going on? You're out early. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. There you go. There you go. Are you cold? I am. Yeah, some nice reflections in the water. Now, whenever I'm framing something up, I'm very careful about my edges. I don't want anything kind of hanging off the sides. I want a nice clean end in terms of where the subject finishes at the edges of the frame. And if I do have some kind of little piece of something in there, I'll take it out in Photoshop. Well, I think I got what I need in this light. I'm going to go warm up in the car and come back when that sun comes over the mountain. Well, the sun's out anyway. There might be a shot there. We will definitely give it a go. All right. So as I mentioned before, you don't need an expensive lens necessarily for landscape photography. This is a cheap, I think it was less than 400 bucks. It's a CF Fujinon lens. Now again, I'm going to use my filter that's 10 stops neutral density, because I like to get the water kind of nice and smooth, and there's a lot of movement there that I'd rather not have. So that's going to be probably another 30-second exposure, but I'll let you know. Okay, that's a 25-second exposure at f10. So if that's even remotely good, here it is. Okay, time to call it a day. Hey, thanks for watching. Next week I'm off on another adventure. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Bye for now.